Good evening. My name is Leah Chelagat. I'm a director at Kenas, and I'm removing 20,000 shillings M-Pesa. And Mheshimiwa, you have your admirer in Chupalan, who is the Minister of Housing and Planning. He's called Abdi. He has just SMS me now. He'll come and see you, and he will also give the contribution through the account. Thank you very much.
Good
Asante
evening.
sana.
Good evening. Mary Lincoln, a gospel minister, 10,000 kwa M-Pesa.
Good evening everyone. Nzao Musao, rafiki wa waziri, nashukuru sana kuwa hapa, tunashukuru sana. Asante, 20,000. Ladies and gentlemen, we are just about to conclude, so this is the moment for you to come up because we are just about to conclude. Thank you.
I am Modhoni Ngugi. The waziri was my boss and mentor and friend. Asante sana. I'm contributing 10,000.
10,000 shillings. Apigiwe makofi tafadhali. Asante.
Good evening. Kadiki and advocate. I'm contributing 15,000.
Apigiwe makofi tafadhali, 15,000 shillings.
Good evening. Gladman, representing friends and associates of Waziri. We are contributing 50,000 to the cause.
Asante sana. Thank you. We appreciate you.
Good evening all. My name is Felix Tanui, a very great friend of Waziri from Chabarbar in Nandi County. And Waziri, I can assure you, they are good footballers there. 20,000 M-Pesa.
Asante sana, tumekushukuru ndugu yangu.
Jambo sana. Waziri has been my comrade, schoolmate for many years. I am contributing 20,000. It is on M-Pesa, 20,000.
Asante sana. Ladies and gentlemen, M-Pesa is on your screens. Thank you.
And good evening. My name is Peter Kitheka, and Waziri is my boss and a friend. I'm contributing 10,000. Thank you.
Asante.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Sylvia Ngare. Once a boss, always a boss. So I'll contribute 10,000 shillings. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Julie Kabogo, a great mentee. I hope to do him proud. I'll contribute 10,000. Thank you.
Thank you very much. 10,000. Apigiwe makofi tu tafadhali.
Good evening. My name is Sharon Momanyi, a friend to Waziri, contributing 30,000 to the M-Pesa.
Thank you, Sharon. 30,000 shillings. Asante sana. For the hug, an additional 1,000. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Joseph, a friend to Waziri, 100,000.
Hey, karibu sana. Makofi tafadhali.
Good evening. My name is Irene, a friend of the foundation. I'm contributing 10,000.
Thank you, Irene. 10,000 shillings. Apigiwe makofi.
Good evening. Michael Murim, Waziri is my boss. 50,000.
Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Elsie Thor. I'm a mentee of Waziri, and I work with him as well. My family and I contribute 50,000.
50,000 shillings. Apigiwe makofi tafadhali.
Philip Koech, a houseboy from Baringo, contributing 100,000.
Apigiwe makofi ya Baringo.
Pia niko na mchango ya mtu anaitwa David Mugonyi, ametuma kwa mtandao 100,000.
Ingine? Sorry, okay. Sawa.
Good evening. My name is George, a youth from Nakuru County, contributing 5,000 to Waziri.
Mpigieni makofi tafadhali. Thank you.
Very good. My name is Dr. Peter Maye, Head of Programs in the Office of the CS, 50,000.
Daktari, 50,000. Apigiwe makofi.
Good evening, everyone. Name is Philip Morioki, an old friend of the CS. We started working together when we were 23, and he's my senior. I have contributed 50,000.
Apigiwe makofi tafadhali. 50,000 shillings.
Good evening. My name is Richard Kamodo. I'm an advocate. CS is my client. I have come to support the initiative. Thank you very much. I have sent 20,000.
Good evening. My name is Nick Kariuki. Waziri is my boss and a good friend. I have 25,000. Also, I have 50,000 for George Murugo, Chair of PPBR. He has put in the pay bill. Thank you.
Asante. Apigiwe makofi tafadhali.
Hello, Nasra is my name. Waziri is my good friend. I'm a business lady, and I have $200.
evening. My name is Faith Mule, a friend to Waziri. 10,000.
10,000 shillings. Makofi tafadhali.
Good evening. Gladys Wainaina, a beneficiary of Moses mentorship. I've sent 10,000.
10,000 shillings. Apigiwe makofi tafadhali.
Good evening. I'm Duncan Ngugi. CS is my uncle. 10,000.
Thank you very much.
Good evening. My name is Dr. Johnny Kenywa. The CS is my friend. I'm contributing 50K toward this noble cause.
Asante sana. Thank you very much.
Bwana Nyambane, kuna mtu ametuma 100,000 na ni CEO wa CAK, Bwana David Mugonyi, amesema tu announce vizuri. Pigieni Mugonyi makofi tafadhali akiwa mahali yako. Asante.
Oh, bado unataka picha? Okay, hakuna shida. Ni 1,000. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
My name is Eva Mirara. I've worked under the boss for about 10 years. He's a great mentor, a great supporter of young women, and I want to support with 20,000 with a pledge of more as we proceed.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Our patron, may we humbly request you to take your seat. Thank you very much, sir.
Jameni, tumpigieni waziri makofi tafadhali. Thank you, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, please allow us to call a personal friend, and not only a friend, a confidant, and a person who's been working with the foundation and with... Pause for a minute. Senator Migori. Senator Migori, tafadhali tunaomba urudi hapa kwa sababu Chipkizi.
Yes.
Tunasikia Senator kuna ujumbe na hajafikisha ujumbe. Wewe kijana kama umetumwa na baba kuja.
Hakuna ujumbe ya baba.
Ametumwa na baba hapa sasa. Haya kuja tuambie umetumwa na baba. Baba amesema nini? Baba amesema nini? Baba amesema nini?
Ni funny.
Nyambane, usilete shida bwana. Unajua here I've come in my personal capacity. And ukisema mambo ya baba hapa, naweza kuwa na shida kidogo. But I think that I'm here because of my friend Moses Kuria. And I think that I met Moses Kuria when I was much younger. And he was also much younger. I think people keep on growing. But I think the most important thing is that as a country, we have seen a number of things divide us. And the things that divide us is everybody seeking to get successful, everybody seeking to get ahead, everybody seeking to get opportunity here and there. But any time that we have sports or we have people running in different places, as a country we come back together. And what Moses Kuria is doing, I think has got a chance of uniting us as a country beyond our tribal lines. So you're doing a good job, Waziri, and as a person from Azimio, you can count on my support in all possible ways. Asante sana.
Pigieni makofi, Senator. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your time and thanks for your patience. May I ask our brother Michael Foley to come and make a vote of thanks for your patience, your contribution, your presence here. We don't take it for granted. Mike.
Thank you. Honorable Moses Kuria, honorable senators, MPs, county speakers, MCAs, PSs, government officials, distinguished guests, collectively and inclusively, making sure we forget no one, let's just call us friends of the MK Foundation. Habari za jioni, salam alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, and good evening. 5 short but very important votes of thanks are offered. To my friend, Honorable Moses, a public servant well beyond his ministerial mandate, who has taken on the daunting challenge to build a harmonious